Hello class, this is project recording number 2, not project number 2, recording number 2 for a discussion post and how to reply to a discussion post. So most of the time, anytime I'm going to have a discussion post, it will be on the modules. So in your home screen right here, there's going to be the modules. If you don't want to go through the home screen, you can also go to the discussions post here. Then you're going to click the discussion post. The first thing you're going to see is this discussion post here. Most of the time, I'm going to have the information, the rules for the post on the top. Make sure you read this completely before responding. You will lose credit if you don't have the max word count, or if you don't reply to your classmates. Just make sure you're following the directions fully. The prompt will be right underneath the instructions, which will have the date on top. So you will need to be answering this question here. For this prompt, it asks if your personality was a potato chip flavor, what flavor would it be? Then you would go ahead and click reply post here. And then you're going to go ahead and write your response here. And then make sure you're subscribed. So you'd click that if it was in green. Then you'll reply here, post reply. And then you'll click that. And then I'm going to see if I can delete this because it's a test student. And let's say that I wanted to reply to this. I can just hit reply. So if you were going to reply to 2 of your classmates, you would reply here and put your reply here. And then you'll scroll down and post reply, and you're going to just do that twice. All right? So that's just a quick video on how to do discussion post. If you have any questions, please email me at penyaloza.patricia@unionps.org. If you have any questions, just email this number, this contact right here. All right? Thank you.